Okay, I'm out of breath. I walked up to the building site, going to pick up the ambient noise here. (9:38). Black nail polish chipping. Okay, in the woods, ambient noise recording. So what I learned is birds don't like the woods. If you can hear anything in the background, a hum, it's the Taconic State Parkway, which is about 600 feet away. And this direction is towards the Veronese property, which is west, and you would grow closer to the Taconic. I can try to pick up the, whoops, disappeared. I can try to pick up the ambient noise at our property line and the Veronese property line to see what the Taconic is like over there.